All right. So the next section here is, and I know John covered a little bit of this in the morning or like in the first session. I'll have some intro slides, then we're gonna dive deep into the 3 packages that John mentioned earlier, the Edge, Supervisory, and Enterprise. All right, so just to take a step back here and try and connect some dots, Operations Control is an AVEVA Flex offering. So based on the Flex licensing model that I just went through, we created these operation control packages, basically, or AVEVA created these operations control packages. So it is based on the idea that operation teams exist at various levels of your organization, then where the physical location perspective and timescales differ. So the first thing that we look at is we have a plant or field level where teams are short-term focused. And then we have a control room. And again, I know John went through this a little bit quickly in the morning. I'll go through this really quickly and then we'll jump into the 3 packages. But again, we have a control room or a supervisory level where teams look into the immediate and past performance across the facility. This is where we consider the medium-term goals. And then finally, we have the enterprise level. And that's basically where teams heavily analyze the past and the present data to plan and operate strategically. Here we look at long-term goals. Everyone on these operation teams can benefit from real-time and historical data and reporting to improve overall efficiency. So based on that, we'll take a closer look here just at the 3 different levels one more time. So the edge level is, usually we see that in the panel-based operations, for example, offsite operations. Control room usually is the supervisory level location or environment. This is also where we have like mobile supervisors, and then the enterprise level is the command center or a ROC or a business center. So looking into those 3 different layers where the operations team operate, that resulted in the AVEVA Operations Control subscription packages, namely Edge, Supervisory, and Enterprise, where Edge and Supervisory allow you to choose the technology of your choice that best suits your needs. These are then augmented with included common components in the middle that you can see here that increase operations team productivity through reporting and analytics, development, skills management, and more. In addition, there are optional add-ons, as mentioned earlier by John, for manufacturing execution and guided analytics. So this is the overall idea. So 3 different packages that are available, 3 different flex packages, and we're going to look into what each one of them includes, basically. All right. So the Edge package, or the base Edge package, includes unlimited use of Edge HMI, in-touch HMI, standard communication drivers, development systems, operations reporting. It also includes a local historian, includes historian clients, Insight Light with the standard users, and AVEVA teamwork. We say that you need a minimum of 25 users, or 25 named users must be added to this specific package, basically. And again, as John mentioned in the morning, these are unlimited packages. When we say unlimited, it means you get unlimited development, unlimited clients, unlimited tags. But these are measured based on how many named users are actually utilizing the system, and that's how we license them. So when we say you have 25 named users, this is actually how we size it. But everything else is unlimited. It is truly unlimited package. The other one here, really quickly, includes, again, unlimited use of system platform, plant SCADA, professional communication drivers, development system, operations reporting, which is AVEVA reports. And it also includes historian tier 1 or unlimited standard historian, supervisory server, and then historian supervisory clients. It also includes Insight, and this also requires a minimum of 25 named users. You can always increase the number of users that you have. So we go like, I think 25, 50, and then 100, and then goes like 200. And every time you increase the number of users, you consume less, or it costs less number of credits basically. The third one here is the enterprise package, and that includes unlimited use of Unified Operations Center, Enterprise Visualization Framework, UOC industry templates. Professional communication drivers, those are different than the standard and the premium. Development systems, operations reporting, Insight standard with standard users, and AVEVA teamwork. It also includes work task server, work task clients, and it requires a minimum of 25 named users. You can obviously go above that. So once you choose the base package, you could move then to the common components, and these are available for all of the packages. AVEVA communication drivers, teamwork, I've already mentioned that. AVEVA reports already included. AVEVA Insight is already included. So all of these are already included in these packages. The third thing here is the add-ons or the extras. These are obviously and maybe vertical specific. These are add-ons that you can add to your base packages. So for example, MES, batch, recipe management, guided analytics, work tasks. So all of these could be added to any of the existing packages or base packages, basically. This is an overall idea of the 3 different packages that we offer in operations control. Again, this is based on the Flex licensing model. If you have any questions or you need more information, I know it's maybe a little bit too much to digest the first time you see it, but feel free to ask any questions in the chat, or always you can reach out to your account manager and ask them for more information about that.